Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. Microsoft is moving forward with XCloud and their takeover cloud gaming. Microsoft is currently testing XCloud game streaming through a web browser. The general beta testing period should come in the spring of this year. The images that you're seeing are from The Verge. The Verge. But what does this mean? This means that you can open your XCloud gaming account on a web browser. So anywhere that you can open a web browser, you can access XCloud. You can technically do it on your TV. If your TV has a web browser and you have access to XCloud through the web browser, you can technically now play XCloud games on your TV. What this means is that Microsoft is making their huge library of games through Game Pass more available to everyone than ever before. Now, as you know, XCloud is a cloud gaming streaming service that is part of Microsoft Game Pass service. This allows you to play games anywhere and technically any game you want. This also means that you don't have to worry about downloading games because in theory, you could even use XCloud on your Xbox. And now we're thinking, why would I do that? That's so stupid. I have an Xbox, so I can just play games. But let's, for a moment, say that you don't have space on your hard drive, which we all know it's going to happen. And now that Xbox has their own proprietary hard drive for the Xbox Series X and S that is more expensive, storage is at a premium. So it will make sense to play a game on xCloud through your Xbox so you don't have to download the game. Bet you hadn't thought about that one, had you? I did. Right now on my Xbox Series X, I have pretty much the whole thing filled up, and I think I only have like 6 games in my system because I haven't bought the extra storage because it's $250 and I am not about to spend $250 on storage. I'm not that desperate. Like, for example, I would like to do that because this will save me from having to delete games, which is what I've done. I've deleted 2 games in order to play other games, which is really annoying. And so it's a good solution, in my opinion, to be able to do that. Not only that, but also the flexibility of being able to play on anything that you want to play on as long as it has a web browser. And the bonus is that you don't need to worry about if that phone or TV or computer can handle the games because it's all in the cloud. Now, one of the other reasons why Microsoft is striving to get this working is because this is another way that they can get their games and service into iPhones and iPads in order to get people on iOS to play Xbox games that they cannot play right now because Apple is being a pain in the butt in order to let Microsoft do XCloud on their service, because Apple is generally a pain in the butt for a lot of things. The only downside to XCloud at the moment is that they're using Xbox One S hardware in order to send those games to the cloud. So you're not going to get full 4K streaming via XCloud because of the hardware. But Microsoft did say that they're actually working on upgrading the hardware to Xbox Series X hardware. So soon enough, you'll be able to get full 4K streaming plus a billion trillion teraflops, as Microsoft loves talking about. I know it's not a million trillion teraflops, I'm just exaggerating, but you know what I mean. Are you a current XCloud user? Do you see the benefit of XCloud being able to be used on any web browser? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos, and thank you very much for watching.